Welcome to the installation guide on how to replace the front air struts of a BMW X5 E53 with a new Arnott air strut. Stay tuned to learn more. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start the removal process by setting the steering to straight ahead, raising the vehicle and removing the applicable front wheel. Then remove the brake hose from the retention bracket on the strut. Disconnect the sway bar link by removing the nut holding the ball joint to the strut. You may need to hold the ball joint from spinning by placing a wrench on the two flats of the ball joint on the back side of the bracket. Once disconnected, open the hood and remove the 3 upper mount nuts. Continue by removing the 2 large bolts that hold the strut to the spindle assembly. With the nuts and bolts removed from the spindle assembly, pull the spindle outward while pushing the strut. You should now be able to remove the air strut and access its hose connection. Slowly remove the fitting to deflate and free the assembly. Remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. Once disconnected, remove the air strut from the vehicle. Now that the removal process is complete, install the new air strut onto the vehicle. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Remove the white shipping pin from the air strut and insert the airline into the Voss fitting on the strut. Then install the 2 large bolts and nuts that hold the strut to the spindle assembly. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Reattach the brake hose to the retention bracket and attach the electrical wire to the retention bracket on the air strut. For the final steps, install the nut that holds the ball joint to the strut. Open the hood and install the 3 upper mount nuts. Then close the hood and reinstall the wheel to complete the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air struts of a BMW X5 with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.